an A-listed developer who's the first in the world to complete and deliver more than 300 projects in over 30 plus years of experience. This is a Crizzle Township project, and we are standing here in one of the largest land parcels of around 32.7 acres. Welcome to the Prestige City by Prestige Group, and we are here today in the Forest Hills in Yogi Hills, Mulund. At the closest proximity is your LBS Road. When we talk about connectivity, it is just 700 meters from here. Eastern Expressway is just 10 to 15 minutes from here. And hospitals like Apex Hospital and Fortis Hospital is also at the nearest vicinity. International schools like NES International and Billabong International is also just 10 to 15 minutes from here. Apart from that, they also have their in-house schools, hospitals, commercial and retail for you, given to you by Prestige Group. So this was about our flawless connectivity. Now I shall take you through the project. Let's go. Talking about this project, as I've already mentioned, this is one of the largest land parcels in Mulund of around 32.7 acres with 80% of the open space divided into 4 towers, and total A and B are already launched. G plus 68-story buildings with multiple levels of car parkings and amenities area given to you. Premium amenities divided into sports and leisure, wellness and kids play area. You're getting swimming pool, banquet hall, kids play area, clubhouse, etc. So these are the premium amenities that you are getting with luxury 3 and 4 BHKs that I'll be showing it to you right now. Let's take you to the most premium and the statement of sophistication, our 4 BHK sample flat, wherein we start from a foyer area. We have 2 dimensions, one that is facing your kitchen and the second one that will give you the view of your living room. So we are entering into our grand and massive living room of around 430 square feet, as you can see, with a beautiful couch area and sitting area with your wall unit being decorated the same way. Comes with your attached deck that is walking towards your first room that I'll be showing it to you. This can also be converted into your open bar, and apart from that, you can also set up your bookshelf and plantery. Moving on, now we're getting into a grandeur and premium dining area that can set up more than 8-seater of your dining, and apart from that, you also have your sit out area and you can play chess and other board games with your family members and have a beautiful family time here. So this is our double platform kitchen, and this wall right here is our soft wall that can also be converted into open kitchen area that will make your family time even more lively. And here is our attached dry space area and comes with your attached house helps room. So as you can see, this is the plus point. Right next to your kitchen, you get the house helps area, and here is their attached washroom with premium fittings given to you the same way. Here is our French windows for ventilation. Moving on, the floor to ceiling height for this apartment is 10 feet. Now I'll be showing you the rest of the rooms. Through our passage, we are moving into our first bedroom that is sized 180 square feet. Here is our first bedroom, which is again very spacious and very lavish. Comes with the attached deck that is walking towards your first bedroom through your living area, and again comes with our attached washroom with premium fittings given to you and vitrified tiling. Now we are moving into our second bedroom, but before that, here is a powder room, which again comes with premium fittings and vitrified tilings given to you for your guests and family members. Here can be your puja ghar or your bookshelf according to your requirements. Now we're getting into our second bedroom, which is again approximately 165 square feet and comes with our attached deck. This deck would continue till your master bedroom that I'll be showing you again. Again, it is very spacious and comes with attached washroom with premium fittings given to you and French windows for ventilation, and you have the duct area connected to it. Now getting into our third bedroom, which is your common bedroom or the bedroom for your guests and family members, which is sized almost 140 square feet and comes with French windows for ventilation with your attached washroom. Comes with lavish fittings, as you can see, and your duct area attached to it. Moving on now to our biggest and the most luxury room of this apartment, our master bedroom, which is sized almost 240 square feet, as you can see, and comes with our walking deck from your second bedroom, which is attached to this one, and comes with the walk-in closet that you can make it according to your requirement, a long and lengthy walk-in wardrobe. And the major USP of this room is that you're getting your dressing table here and French windows for cross ventilation. Again, moving into our attached washroom, which is again very spacious and elegant and comes with premium fittings. Here are your French windows for ventilation and your duct area attached to it. So this was our premium, sophisticated and luxury statement 4 BHK sample flat, and the pricing here for 3 BHK is starting from 2.9 CR plus taxes, and this 4 BHK starts from 5.39 CR plus taxes. They also have flexible payment plans just for you. So they have 20x5 and 0 stamp duty installment, but this is limited offer, so you should start your booking right now. For booking purpose and more information, contact us today on the given details below.